Huge shout out to Livernois Motorsports. They hooked it up with this bundle deal here. We got a couple cool things in this box, and it just came in. As you saw, the FedEx truck just left. So I'm super excited. Can't wait to start getting this stuff put in. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in. Here we go.
They really do package this up pretty well.
Holy crap, it is filled to the brim. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, so here's my order numbers and the parts that I ordered.
Tuning device.
Oh, did I just leak? What else did we get? Alright, that's pretty cool. So, this is cool. Look at that. We got a license plate. Livernois Motorsports. Performance driven, race proven. So that's pretty cool. That's awesome. Appreciate it, you guys. What else did we get? Here's this. Boom. So we got a couple business cards. Then we have some stickers, some Livernois decal stickers. And then we have this fine little thing. This is a tuner. Plugs right into the OB2 port. Get that installed. So that's cool. That's the tuner there. Instructions. Always good. Need those. Here is the elbow. What do we have in this little box? Huh. Wonder what it is. It's a thermostat. 160 degree thermostat. Since, you know, we're doing power mods and stuff like that.
Everything, or mostly everything that we need. So that's cool. We might have a separate video for this.
Alright, so we have all of our couplers, our brackets, you got your screws, the rubber hose that they provide you with. So that's that. Then we have this piece here, which is the heat shield. Heat shield. And last but not least, I'm glad they put all this protection on here.
The RotoFab intake box itself. Let's see.
Man, that tape really holds on there. So there it is. I like how they protect the glass here and the frame, make sure nothing, you know, hits it, breaks it, or anything like that. So that's dope. There it is, full. Super cool. There's the cone right inside. They have it wrapped up as well. So that's that. So we have the RotoFab cold air intake along with the Livernois Motorsports tune program, and we have the 160 degree thermostat. I can't wait to start getting these installed. Obviously, the car's right here, and you see the intakes out, so that's what we're going to start with. So stay tuned for the install.